to do all which may achieve and cherish a just and lasting peace among ourselves. And with all nations, I believe the statement will still ring true. A century later, while our sons and daughters return home to the war, ravaged with illness, and the boundary lines, I will face a platform for your victory, striving to maintain the working condition service program for all veterans of this country, whether full-time or reserve. Like Lincoln's time, we Americans are witnessing this spiral of self-destruction and hopelessness from those that do return from battle and lack of help from those people behind when they love or never make it home. The time is now to stand against this absentee government and demand further aid for the widows and children of fallen soldiers. With increased assistance to active reserve, retired, and discharged military that are suffering with emotional and mental fatigue. What exactly does it mean to be an element of Congress? Lately, many members of that long distinguished group are letting the power they also held slip through their fingers. It is my intention to mend the fact where justice fails. When you elect into Congress as a congressional representative, I will work directly with Veterans Affairs offices and officers throughout Texas, ensuring that concerns of healthcare professionals and retiring personnel, these are always the forefront of my mind. That's